Hi, I'm Dennis Hanson, and this is my Triumph Speed 4. So I wanted to do a video that covers some of the common issues with the Triumph Speed 4, probably the TT600, electrical issues, and they're pretty common. So one of the ongoing problems is the stator and the rectifier regulator. They tend to burn out, and if you don't maintain the wires and the connectors and everything like that, keep an eye on it, they will burn up. Yeah, what I noticed when I was digging around is that my stator wires are not looking too good, and I haven't had a problem with it, and I haven't noticed this before, but that looks like the plastic's been melted. Just on this side you can tell, and even on the other side got hot. This plug is pretty burned up. So that's not good, and so I can't get it apart. I cut the little tab thing off it, still won't pull apart. So my next thing is to cut it, but before. So I've already done the test on the stator and the rectifier regulator. I think both my tests are good. I think what happened is that connector just got a little hot, and that's why it melted, and so my components should be good. So my next step, I'm going to get some wires, make a harness, and I'm going to hardwire this into the stator, and I'm probably going to route it around like the front of the battery, and try to tidy it up, and otherwise I can use the other part of that. But I'm really thinking that this is going to be alright. It's going to work out. Let's hope so anyway. So thanks for watching.